If you're experiencing crashes while playing EAFC 25, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify and fix common problems that may cause the game to crash. Step 1. Update your game. Ensure that you have the latest version of EAFC 25 installed. Developers often release patches to fix bugs and improve stability. Check for updates through your gaming platform and install any available updates. Step 2. Check system requirements. Verify that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for EAFC 25. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, consider upgrading your components or adjusting the game settings for better performance. Step 3. Update drivers. Outdated graphics and system drivers can lead to crashes. Visit the manufacturer's website for your graphics card and other hardware to download and install the latest drivers. Restart your computer after updating. Step 4. Verify game files. If you're playing on a platform like Steam or Origin, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them automatically. Step 5. Adjusting game settings. Lowering the graphics settings in EAFC 25 can help reduce crashes, especially if your system struggles with high settings. Access the game settings menu and adjust options like resolution, texture quality, and effects to see if stability improves. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the crashing issues in EAFC 25. If problems persist, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance. Happy gaming!